Yeah, I'm Simon Braybrook. I'm a partner in Butetown Medical Practice in Butetown in Cardiff, an inner city practice of about 10,000 patients and part of the City and South cluster. So we've been using Microsoft Teams since the start of the pandemic as a way to communicate better, but within the team when we want to socially distance ourselves within our practice, but also with the other practices in the cluster for daily meetings and that sort of thing. At the start of the pandemic, our cluster were having meetings every single morning, and we would meet together and use Teams that way, but also for impromptu meetings. If somebody in another room wants me to look at something, look at a rash or something, they can use Teams. They can just click on a call for me, I can answer it. We can both use our webcams to connect, I can see them.